All right, you guys, welcome to another video on whether or not something is a function. So how do I determine if the picture or the graph or the presentation they've given me is a function? So now we're looking at graphs, okay? And we're looking over here and we just have to say yes or no. So how do we know? Okay? All right, so what you have to envision, okay, is a vertical line, and it's a moving vertical line, because what we're going to be applying is what's called the vertical line test. Okay, so that's going to be our test to determine whether or not something is a function. Okay, so the first thing I do, and this is one of the reasons I do it this way, is I like to give you one that is not a function. So starting off, here's one that is not a function, and here's why. Okay, so let me draw a picture of a circle. Okay, and it's not going to be a very good circle at all. Okay, and my question is this a function? Okay, and you gotta say, okay, yes or no. How do I know? Okay, think of a moving vertical line. So look here, I've got this index card. It's got a vertical line on it, and I'm moving it. Okay, because it doesn't matter where it happens, as long as it happens one time. Okay, as long as this event occurs one time, okay, you have to say no. Okay, so if I go right here, it doesn't take long. Okay, so I already told you it's not a function. Okay, so the answer is no. Why is it no? Okay, because when I've got this vertical line, my circle touches my vertical line 2 times. So if I were to move it on, see, that's not good. Okay, so my circle, okay, touches my vertical line 2 times. It should only touch once. And look at all that. Look at all that. 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. Doesn't matter where I'm at. 2 times. Okay. Look at there. There is a vertical line right there. The x-axis, or the y-axis, I'm sorry, is right there, going through that circle 2 times. Okay. That is not a function. Okay. So, well, you ask what would be an example of something that is a function. Okay. So if I draw a picture here, all right, let's scoot this down. Okay. All right. And I give you this picture. I say, okay, is it a function? Okay. And you say yes, you say no. Okay. We got a 50-50 chance of guessing and being right. Okay. But here's my vertical line and it's moving. Okay. So if I'm right here, one time, so my vertical line, one time as I move all the way through my picture. Okay. So now look how easy it would be. Imagine if I were to turn my notebook. Okay. But let me just turn my line. See, that would be, I would say no. Okay. If my picture was turned. Okay. Because there's 1, 2. But because this is my picture, straight up and down, this is my vertical line. Okay, it only crosses one time. Okay, so yes, that is a function. Okay, all right. So now if I go over here to Delta Math, and you're thinking, okay, all right, how do I tell? You have to envision a vertical line that's moving through. Okay, so if I were to draw that vertical line, okay, it's actually not, I can't draw it. I'm looking at it, looking at my options. No. Okay, but imagine if I had a vertical line that was right here, 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 here. Okay, even still, as it goes here, it's just continuously getting closer to that vertical line. So that means it's moving. So that's still okay. If I go here, I've got vertical lines. All this is a function. So yes. Okay, submit my answer. Okay, green check. Look, that's what I was waiting for because I knew he did this in his videos. Okay, if you see that moving vertical line only crosses the picture one time. Okay, and that's all we need. Okay, it's when it crosses twice we got a problem. Okay, so let's try again. All right, so imagine that green vertical line is traveling through. That's okay. That is all good. Submit my answer. Yes. Let's see that vertical line cross. There we go. Okay. All right, new problem. Okay, imagine that green line flying through. Okay, even here, down here, that's okay. And it moves up, that's a function. Okay, that moving green line. Okay, let's see if we can get one that's not. There we go. Perfect. Okay, this will be the last example for this video. Okay, so imagine that green line. Okay, now this one I will draw because I want you to see it. So if I were to draw a vertical line, and this is not straight because I'm drawing with my mouth. My mouse. I'm drawing with my mouse. Okay, that's the see right there. It crosses here and it crosses here, so it crosses 2 times. Not a function. Submit my answer. Yes. Okay. All of those are problems. Okay. All right. So I think you've got enough to determine whether or not it's a function or not a function on a picture. Okay. If you've got any questions, let me know. I know this is a lot today, but it's all really simple. You spent more time watching the videos than you probably did completing the assignment. Okay. Good luck, you guys.